fishes and starters of fishing one day. What's that on lures? Okay. It's feral.
You want to ungreen a bit or just bring him in? Get caught in the other line, don't worry about it. I can always hang on later, just get the fishies.
Probably trevally.
That's right. That's
Just
grunt to it.
Yeah, probably Trevor. Yeah, it's a Trevor. A pig!
Ready? Yep.
Oink. Yeah, that's fine. He's a nice size fish. It's lifting there you go, it's lifting the clump off the bottom.
It's lifting the earth.
And another someone else's line. Oh, what is it? That is... Oh, we got his famous leather jacket.
Do you want to take him home?
Yeah, bloody have to take a leather jacket. Bloody hell, you're a feral, aren't you? Hang on, I've got to bring it in. Shit! Hang on. That is particularly feral. I'm just trying to get it to see what it is first. Because that is probably a trevally by the way it's fighting. Yep, it's a Trevor. Another pig. Now we're getting somewhere now. Another pig. Let it peel, drag. It's alright, I got it. No, I got it. I got it. Yeah, I got it. Just he's on the drag that's not so draggable.
So I definitely need to put on
That's a trevally.
Is that what you're telling me?
Oh, I don't know, I'm running a 6. I don't have any really small hooks, so I've got like a...
My hook's too small, that's why the last one got off.
That's a trevally. Is it either a trevally or a salmon?
Might be salmon, it's going pretty hard.
Yeah, I know. Well, I just don't want to... Ideally, no. I think the reason I'm out of drag...
Take your time. It's not
I am. Oh, hurry. Another trevally. Oh, it's just I'm letting it really get some drag. Another trevally. Look at that, beautiful. Ah, we're getting a few. It's all right. Fish is a fish. That's a nice size one as well. A nice size pig. Oh, fucking hell! No, I lost the fucking kind of thing. Oink. Get the net. I'll get the net. Yeah, we'll keep it away from those bloody anchor ropes. It's going for a wander. That's decent. That's decent. Let's watch my ad lines don't get hit. He's going for a walk. Oh, that's a big trevally. All right, hang on.
You want to get him here?
Yeah, I'm going to bring him up, but just try and get him up to a net. You won't snap him off. I'm just trying to get it a bit higher. He's up here. Try again one more time. Here we go.
That's it. Alright, that one we got to take.
Finally got the damn thing.
Ready for all the other ones.